The Ethereum US dollar price is breaking out nicely out of this symmetrical triangle. My trade here is on fire. As you can see, over $800 in a profit. If you watched my last video, you know what I'm talking about because I was mentioning a possible breakout and a great trading opportunity. Ethereum price here with the US dollar, and it looks like that we want to break out of this symmetrical triangle before the end of today. We might see the targets of Ethereum come straight up to here if we break to the upside. I'm expecting the Ethereum US dollar chart to come all the way up here to $1,400 at all-time high. This is where I'm going to take most of my profits out. And the BTC US dollar chart, it looks like that Bitcoin's having a consolidation phase here, and we're going to have another leg up to retest the resistance here of this ascending broadening wedge. Also, the altcoins are absolutely exploding. And why is this? Because the Bitcoin dominance chart has been going down for days now. We've gone from 73% down to 68. We'll be looking at different support and resistance areas. And also in today's news, UBS wealth manager says large institutional buyers quietly fueling Bitcoin boom. And after nailing Bitcoin's price in 2020, Max Keiser unveils massive prediction for year ahead. And now one Bitcoin can almost officially buy you a Tesla Model S. Guys, if you like this content, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. As you can see on the chart, we've broken out nicely out of this symmetrical triangle. My targets here would be getting the back of the symmetrical triangle. And from the breakout, you can see that we're almost going to see all-time highs. So I'll be taking some profits here. And also, I'll be mentioning the $826 range in one of my last videos. Also, if we go to the weekly chart, we can see that this was major resistance and we broke out of it nicely. This is all-time highs, and this is another high that we did in 2018, which was heavy resistance. So we broke out of it nicely, and I did mention if we come back down, it is a great buying opportunity around these areas. You want to make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be giving different signals every single week and different opportunities. And if you're an experienced trader, only if you're an experienced trader, I'll be leaving links of leverage trading platforms in the description. You've got Bybit, you've got Femex, and you've got Judex. If you click on that link, you'll be getting an amazing bonus. Checking out the Bitcoin dollar price, we can see that we want to arrive to the targets that I was mentioning on my last video. Also getting the back here of the technical target from the breakout, we want to go to the $38,000 range. It looks like we've had a small consolidation, and we're going to do another leg up here to retest the resistance of this ascending broadening wedge. Checking out the altcoins are absolutely exploding. We can see Stellar Lumens up 61% in 24 hours, Verge up 45%, Maker up 65%. Altcoins are absolutely booming. And why is this? Look at this, the Bitcoin dominance chart. From 73% down to 68% in less than 4 days. This is a 5% drop. So that's why the altcoins have been rallying for the last few days. I'm going to show you different support areas and resistance here on the chart. We can see that 73% is a very big resistance. If we break this in the next few weeks, this is going to be the end for altcoins for the next couple of weeks. But also this support area is super strong. So if we break down here, we'll be coming back down and retesting the 63% for sure. And if this happens, this is going to be an absolutely crazy alt season for the next few weeks. If this happens, we can see that this is major support. It's holding nicely here. We broke down out of it and retested, came back down and retested. We broke out of it, and now it's holding nicely. So it might hold as support, and we'll be coming back up and retesting this area. But if we break the 68% levels, we are definitely going to see an immense alt season here. Checking out the news of today, UBS wealth manager says large institutional buyers quietly fueling Bitcoin boom. A private wealth manager at Swiss financial giant UBS is crediting institutional and wealthy investors for Bitcoin bull run. In a new CNBC interview, Ali McCartney, a managing director at UBS Private Wealth Management, says interest in Bitcoin from wealthy and sophisticated investors is booming. There's a lot of interest, and there has been a lot of interest for a significant amount of time. McCartney cites increasing corporate adoption, the store of value narrative, and price as a factor fueling interest in BTC. The UBS wealth manager can see the institutional interest everywhere. After nailing Bitcoin's price in 2020, Max Keiser unveils massive prediction for year ahead. Max Keiser says he believes Bitcoin will ignite a massive rally this year on the back of central banks' loose of monetary policies. 2 years ago, Keiser made an accurate forecast that Bitcoin would end 2020 trading at around $28,000. Keiser says he expects Bitcoin to surge nearly 550% from its current price at $34,000 before this year expires. I'm going with 220,000 per Bitcoin as 2021 target, and that would bring us up to $4 trillion market valuation, which I think is a good 2021 objective. We are going to catch up to gold. That would bring us up to not quite half gold's valuation. Max Keiser's prediction for the end of 2021, $220,000 per Bitcoin. Let me know your price prediction in the comment section for the end of 2021. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Feel free to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news here also, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Judex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe for coming updates, and I'll see you in the next one.